NEC 230.54 addresses the allowable distance for the point of attachment to the service head. Specifically, it outlines the requirements when the service head is located more than 10 feet, which is 3.5 meters, from any building or structure. In these situations, the point of attachment for the overhead service entrance conductors must not be more than 10 feet, or 3.5 meters, below the bottom of the service head. This rule ensures that the service conductors are properly supported and protected, minimizing the risk of damage or hazards. The 10-foot limit provides a reasonable allowance for the service drop to descend to the point of attachment while maintaining adequate clearance and support. Failing to adhere to this code requirement can lead to violations during electrical inspections and potentially compromise the safety and reliability of the electrical service. The intent of this regulation is to prevent excessive strain on the service conductors and the service head itself. If the point of attachment is too far below the service head, the weight and tension of the conductors could cause damage to the service head or the conductors, potentially leading to a failure of the electrical service or creating a safety hazard. By limiting the distance, the code ensures that the conductors are adequately supported and that the service head is not subjected to undue stress. This also helps to maintain proper clearances from ground level and other objects, reducing the risk of accidental contact or damage. The service head serves as a critical point of connection and protection for the service entrance conductors. It provides a weather-tight seal to prevent moisture from entering the service raceway, which could cause corrosion and electrical faults. The service head also provides a means of terminating the service conductors and connecting them to the service entrance conductors. Therefore, it is essential that the service head is properly installed and maintained to ensure the integrity of the electrical service. The point of attachment is the location where the service drop conductors are connected to the building or structure. This can be a bracket, insulator, or other approved device that provides a secure and reliable connection. The point of attachment must be capable of supporting the weight and tension of the service conductors, as well as any additional loads imposed by wind or ice. It is important to select a point of attachment that is appropriate for the size and type of service conductors being used. The overhead service entrance conductors are the conductors that run from the service head to the service equipment, such as the main service panel. These conductors must be sized appropriately for the load being served and must be protected from physical damage. They must also be installed in accordance with the requirements of the NEC, including the proper clearances from ground level and other objects. When installing an overhead service entrance, it is important to carefully consider the location of the service head, the point of attachment, and the service entrance conductors. The service head should be located in a place that is readily accessible for maintenance and inspection. The point of attachment should be located in a place that provides adequate support for the service conductors and minimizes the risk of damage. The service entrance conductor should be installed in a way that protects them from physical damage and ensures that they meet the required clearances. In addition to the requirements of NEC 230.54, there may be other local codes or regulations that apply to overhead service entrances. It is important to check with the local building department or electrical inspector to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable requirements. Proper planning and installation of the overhead service entrance are essential for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical service. By following the requirements of the NEC and other applicable codes, electricians can ensure that the service entrance is installed in a way that minimizes the risk of hazards and provides a safe and reliable source of power. In summary, NEC 230.54 specifies that when the service head is more than 10 feet from a building, the service drop attachment point cannot be more than 10 feet below the service head.